How to fix YouTube error 400 in Android. So if you want to fix your YouTube error 400 in your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings at first. Under settings, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for date and time. So go with date and time under your settings and system. And under date and time, make sure that you've selected network provided time or set time automatically. Because if you've not set the network provided time, then you might find some kind of problems. Make sure that it is always turned on. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply tap and hold on to your YouTube and go with the app info. Under app info, you can go with storage and cache, and under storage and cache, you can go with clear cache. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can tap on force stop and you can force stop the application. After force stopping, you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.